Hello and welcome to London Luxury Candle Supply's YouTube channel. My name is Lisa and today I'm going to be talking you through how to make your very own 180ml diamond diffuser. To make your diffuser, you are going to need one of the 180 diamond diffuser gift sets. You're going to need a pair of scales, a clear jug, a bamboo stirrer. You're also going to need 45 grams of our fragrance. We've chosen Daffodil, and also 135 grams of Reed Diffuser base. Right, the very first thing you need to do is get yourself a pair of scales. You're going to want to pop your jug onto those and then tear it so that your measurement is at 0. You're then going to add 45 grams of your fragrance. So I'm going to pour that into the jug like so. Then, once you've added the correct amount, you're going to introduce your Reed Diffuser base. So I'm just going to add that in. So again, I said 135 grams. So that will make up to 180 ml. So we're just going to pour that in like so. Once we've hit the 180 gram measurement, we're going to take our bamboo stirrer and we're going to give this a real nice stir. We want the fragrance to be incorporated into the diffuser base. So now that's been stirred, we can add this to our diffuser bottle. So I'll just move this one out of the way, pop this on our board, and we're just going to very slowly pour this in. We want to avoid any splashes with this, so nice and gentle. So fill it in, there we go, like so. You now are going to add your cap. So in the box, you will get a cap and a stopper. So if you're sending this out to customers, put the stopper in. If this is for yourself, simply get your reeds and put them into a position that you are happy with. So now you know how to make your very own diamond diffuser. You can now head over to our website where you will find these 5 fantastic colours on buy one, get one free. Thank you very much for watching and we'll see you soon.